That's blue. There you go.
Okay, so did they tell you what I said to them?
Not to me.
I want you to drive as fast as you can, make me want to shit my pants,
Sure.
make it want me have SVTs and pauses and start back up.
Sure.
Just make me, you know.
I can do that.
Yeah.
We'll have some fun.
Good.
Channel 2.
This comfy then. All right, Miss Vanessa. Again, my name is Dim Lawson. We got 2 laps in Lamborghini Huracan, so we will
Alright.
see what we can do. See what we can do with our time together. Lights on.
So what's your fastest lap?
The last time I checked a lap, my asterisk is it was middle of December, so we were still pretty cold.
Okay.
Because I know there's more out there. It just was cold rubbers. You can only go so fast.
Yeah.
It just doesn't heat up.
Alright.
But I have
a little
a.
drifting?
What's up?
You want to do a little bit of drifting for me?
You'll feel rotation.
Okay.
If you're getting full sideways, you're losing loss of friction. You're losing loss of time.
Alright.
So you don't want to be to where you have to apply the brakes or slow it down.
Alright.
But we'll see what we can do.
Okay.
It's got a little get up and go for sure.
Yeah.
Alright. Do a little passing. There you go.
Okay, I see one of the helmets
Yeah.
there. I
I
would
said-
have definitely been like,
I get a hold on to the wheel. You don't have anything to hold on to really. So the passenger seat, you always get kind of sloshed around a little more.
that's all right, that's all right. I'm a thrill rider. I've already skydived before.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I love
Here
it.
or East Coast?
East Coast.
I like it.
I went in Pennsylvania, and I went to a place where I could skydive by myself
Oh, very
instead of
cool.
having to piggyback.
Yeah.
Because I knew the people, so yeah,
That's
it was
awesome.
definitely fun. So it's like, yep, I'm a thrill seeker.
Like, I'm all about it. It's not. It's funny. It's that. It's thrill seeking. It's not a death wish. It's just you want to live.
Adrenaline rush,
You want some
yeah.
excitement. So much of life is just cruising around.
You know what? I don't worry about dying. I worry about living in today. I'm a registered nurse, so
Gotcha.
it's like I don't worry about dying. As I die, but I'm going to live for today, right?
It's funny. Nurses usually tend to be. I know more crazy nurses than anything else.
That was awesome.
Yeah, it's
I
fun having to
told-
do a little passing in between too.
Yeah,
Add some little extra bits of that.
it was nice.
Yeah, it's funny. It's it's kind of crazy with these cars, and even like every year, they make them faster.
Yeah.
But to be faster, it has to be easier to drive, and so like you can see it doesn't even take that much effort, and thing just wants to go, and so then it's just fun. You're just enjoying.
It is.
You're enjoying every second of it. You're not having to.
No, I'm looking
Fight
at
it
the
and muscle.
mileage. What's the year on this one?
I don't know. This is a 2017.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's funny. Usually, there was a time we were, we had the mileage thing. We buy, sell. We're kind of cycling through. I mean, this is, I think, like our 12th Huracan.
Okay.
But COVID was so wild with how it got so hard to sell cars, buy
It did.
cars.
Everything.
Nothing's
went
getting shipped
south.
from Italy. Nothing
Yep.
getting. So it's funny. We're just starting to get we just got a new Ferrari finally after basically since 2020.
Oh,
we were
wow.
So
I
one
just-
showed up. We got another McLaren coming. Finally, we're finally getting back to getting the new fun stuff.
I know I was trying to get a 2022 Jeep,
Mhm.
and I had to get a 2021 because the 2022 wasn't out
Yeah.
at all because of COVID.
No, I know it's crazy. And so many of those cars, like even that white Lamborghini STO we have.
Yeah.
We had it. It came to Vegas. It was here for 8 months, but because there was one little microchip they couldn't get, we couldn't
Yep.
take delivery.
That's a lot of
It was
things.
like one part they couldn't get. And it's
a lot
like
of computers
Yeah.
parts not coming in.
yeah, it's wild.
Huh?
Yeah,
That
but
was awesome.
let
Thank
me
you
power
so much.
this down. That is my pleasure.